Mechanical keyboards are more popular than ever thanks to their satisfying tactile feedback, durability, and customizable options that appeal to gamers and typists alike. In this guide, we evaluate the best shower heads based on spray settings, water pressure, build quality, ease of installation, and value for money. Whether you want a spa-like rainfall experience or a high-pressure cleanse, these shower heads can elevate your daily routine. List number SR Sunrise 100 Fahrenheit thermostatic shower system, 12-inch luxury rainfall shower head, and high-pressure handheld bathroom. The SR Sunrise thermostatic shower system offers a true luxury shower experience with its 12-inch rainfall head and powerful handheld sprayer. The thermostatic valve maintains a consistent water temperature, ensuring comfort and safety. Crafted from premium stainless steel and brass, it exudes elegance while being highly durable. Its high-flow design provides both gentle rainfall and strong targeted pressure. Easy to adjust and perfect for modern bathrooms, it delivers a spa-like experience every time. List number: high-pressure rain shower head with handheld spray combo set. Adjustable 12-inch rainfall dual shower head, double. This dual shower head set combines a wide 12-inch rainfall head with a versatile handheld sprayer for maximum flexibility. It delivers strong water pressure even in homes with low flow and features multiple spray settings. The adjustable overhead head ensures perfect coverage, while the handheld option is ideal for rinsing, pets, or cleaning. With a sleek design and sturdy materials, this combo set offers convenience and comfort at an affordable price point. List number: sparkpod shower head, high pressure rain, premium quality, luxury design, 1-minute install, easy clean. The sparkpod high pressure rain shower head is a customer favorite for its combination of simplicity, power, and luxury feel. It provides a soothing rainfall experience while maintaining strong water pressure, making showers both relaxing and invigorating. Installation takes just 1 minute with no tools required. Its anti-clog, easy-to-clean nozzles prevent buildup and ensure long-lasting performance. Affordable and elegant, this is a fantastic choice for anyone upgrading their bathroom without a major investment. List number: veken 10-inch luxurious all-metal rain shower head with handheld spray combo, high-pressure rainfall square. The veken 10-inch luxurious rain shower head brings durability and performance together in an all-metal construction. Its square design gives a contemporary edge, while the handheld sprayer adds practicality for everyday use. Both the overhead and handheld heads deliver high-pressure streams with adjustable settings. The anti-leak, anti-clog design ensures longevity, and the metal finish resists corrosion beautifully. A perfect pick for those who want premium materials and a satisfying shower experience in one package.